no peace. Got the no peace. Get no peace. Got the no peace. Get no peace.
So this is their little lounge area and everything, where I will probably do some good content up here. You know, do some collabs. I see some nice, like, cute cut off areas. Let's see what they got on that side. So some more areas where I could do some content. Take some cute pictures for the gram. Let me show y'all like this little area. All right, let's go. There's Zen Lounge, where they have gravity chairs, where it feels like you're floating. They're massage chairs. Let me see what else they got. Cute little place to take little pictures. So right here you have billiards, foosball, as well as some seating area. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. We'll come out here and do some really nice stuff. Could play pool, little game area. On the left hand side here, complimentary home, got lots of business hours. We also have some kitchen space as well. And then outside here is the pool.
Heading on this way. Welcome to your resort stop pool.
Woo, you're not kidding.
This one I can open up for you.
Thank you.
Straight ahead, you do have 3 outdoor cabanas. On the left-hand side, 2 by-10 outdoor grills. On the palm trees, you have an outdoor lounge space that'll feature the same seating area that you see surrounding the pool deck here.
Yeah, this is like real cute. We finna get a lot of pictures for the gram. And this is the outside cooking area.
Again, accessible to you as a resident between 9 a.m. and 10. It is something that you can reserve as well. In the event that you want to list
Okay, so this is their outside lounge. You can play games and whatnot. So far, tour number 2 is definitely my favorite. Guys, so tour number 2 has definitely been my favorite. The first tour was not really giving what it was supposed to give. I mean, it did, but the space was not what it should have been. The amenities were amazing, but it's not doing what this tour is doing for me at this property. This property is super spacious. Everything's aesthetically pleasing. Security is A1. There's so many places for me to make content, so many places for me to take pictures and do collaborations. I love the space, especially for the price. I love the location, love the area. I don't know. So we're gonna see what happens when I take y'all with me to the next property. But so far, I hope you guys are enjoying this kind of content with me, coming on my little journey to find me a new place to call home. And yeah, so comment down below which place was y'all favorite. So I've been looking at units with 1 bedrooms and also units with 2 bedrooms. So we're gonna see. I don't know if I should make the video separate or not, but I probably might put everything all together and just make sure I put notes so y'all able to kind of help me figure out which one I should go with. But let's go, cause the realtor waiting on me. I'm in their bathroom playing. All right, so the gym is 24 hours. I like that. They got quite a few little items around the place. It's cute. Storage. Okay. All right. And
bike station, fitness pads, medicine balls.
okay. Love little snacks. Ooh, and an ATM. I like
Are
that
you
too.
familiar with the area?
Yes, I'm from Fort Lauderdale originally.
So you know there's Screenwise right across the street. Okay, perfect.
screens. So they got dual screens inside the theater room. Love that. So far, this is tour number 4. Tour number 3, I ain't show y'all because it wasn't nothing to see, like, to be G. Like, the place was just not giving. It was giving gave up. So far, tour number 2 and this one, which is tour number 4, are my favorites. Again, make sure y'all comment down below and let me know which one y'all like the best. Who y'all know got their fridge stacked, okay? This is how you get people to become new residents. People like to eat. That's how you do it. Look good. They got the little ice maker, like that too. 1 bedroom with a den and then a regular one. I'm just in love with the fact that every door is green. Like, guys, so y'all saw the properties. They neck and neck. They neck and neck. All right, they are definitely up to my standards. And I mean, what can I say? Like, make sure y'all comment down below which property was your favorite. Was it property number 2 or was it property number 4? Help me find my new home. I definitely will be recording the next tours that I go on. I have 2 tours that I'm going on tomorrow. I'll be taking you guys along with me, so give this video a thumbs up if you guys are going to be enjoying this kind of content with me, and make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button as well, and click that notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads, because you are definitely not going to want to miss this. So once I choose, I'll definitely let you guys, of course, get an empty apartment tour. I definitely will give that to y'all as well. So I'm excited. Like, 2024, I'm coming for everything that 2023 took from me. I'm not playing. We not playing. All right. So that's it for this video, guys. I appreciate the support. Again, make sure you comment down below which property was your favorite. Was it property number 2 or property number 4? And I'm gonna go ahead and finish my little rosé, okay? And share this video if you care. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Later.